The Lexus NX200t from 2014 to 2017 is equipped with multiple traction control systems designed to enhance safety. These systems work together to prevent wheel slip during acceleration, braking, and cornering. TRAC, or traction control, manages wheel spin by applying brakes to individual wheels or reducing engine power to maintain grip. VSC, vehicle stability control, uses gyroscopic sensors and steering inputs to counteract skids, working alongside ABS and EBD. Slip control focuses on low-speed traction, which is particularly important for the NX200t's 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. These systems prevent dangerous situations like loss of control on wet roads or during emergency maneuvers. You can temporarily disable TRAC and VSC on your NX200t. Locate the VSC off button, usually near the shifter. Press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds until the VSC off indicator light illuminates or flashes on the dashboard. This typically deactivates both TRAC and VSC. Slip control often deactivates simultaneously. Note that this is a temporary deactivation. The systems will reactivate upon restarting the vehicle. Permanently disabling traction control systems poses significant risks. These systems reduce accident rates by 20 to 30%, so disabling them increases your risk of losing control, especially in wet or icy conditions. Modifications can void your vehicle's warranty and may lead to complications with insurance coverage. Disabling these systems should only be considered in controlled environments, such as track driving or off-roading, where you can manage the vehicle's behavior effectively. Permanent disablement involves overriding the ECU, or engine control unit. This requires specialized tools to reprogram the vehicle's computer system. Aftermarket tuning software from companies like Diablo Sport allows you to reprogram the ECU to disable TRAC and VSC permanently. Similar tools from Superchips, like the Cortex programmer, provide the same capability for ECU reprogramming. These tools connect to the vehicle through the OBD2 port, located under the dashboard, to interface with the ECU. However, permanent disablement is not recommended due to safety risks and potential legal or warranty implications. Any tuning must comply with emissions regulations to avoid further issues. There are no widespread bans on disabling traction control systems in the U.S. as of 2026. However, modifying your vehicle's safety systems can void the manufacturer's warranty. Check your warranty documentation for specific clauses regarding modifications. Also, be aware that disabling safety features might affect your insurance coverage in the event of an accident. An NX200t owner used a Diablo Sport tuner to disable TRAC and VSC for desert racing. This improved acceleration in sandy conditions, but led to a rollover incident during a storm, highlighting the risks involved. At a Lexus-sponsored track day, professional drivers temporarily disabled the systems on NX200t prototypes. This achieved faster lap times but resulted in increased tire wear. Lexus advises against permanent disables in production models. Experts emphasize that disabling traction control can increase crash risks by 25 to 40% in slippery conditions. Hesse reports that ESC, similar to VSC, saves approximately 7,000 lives annually in the U.S. Disabling it increases accident rates by 20%. These statistics highlight the critical role of traction control systems in maintaining vehicle stability and preventing accidents. Future trends point toward more integrated safety technology in vehicles. Newer Lexus models are incorporating AI-driven adaptive controls that may eliminate manual disable options entirely. This integration extends to electrification trends, where electric and hybrid systems may further reduce user control over traction control systems. If improved off-road performance is needed, aftermarket ECU flashers can be considered, but always proceed with caution and prioritize safety. Always revert to factory settings for daily driving to maintain safety and warranty coverage.